Welcome. If your Gmail inbox is piling up and you want to quickly find emails that are older than a week, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through every step you need to spot those older messages in seconds, right from your mobile device. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and open up the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in. If not, just enter your info and head straight to your inbox. Now, focus your attention at the very top of the app. You'll see the search field. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all the magic of searching and filtering happens in Gmail. After you tap the search field, look just below the search bar. Here, Gmail offers some handy options known as filters or search chips. Among these, you'll spot a filter labeled Date. Tap on the Date option to bring up Gmail's powerful built-in time filters. Once the Date filter opens, you'll see several preset choices. Find and select older than a week. With just one simple tap, Gmail instantly sifts through your inbox and pulls up all emails that are more than 7 days old. Right away, your inbox view switches to show only those conversations and messages that hit that magical older than a week mark. No more endless scrolling or trying to remember dates. Everything you need is right in front of you. This method is perfect if you're searching for follow-ups, tracking down important information, or simply trying to declutter your inbox. And remember, you can use other time filters, like older than a month or older than a year if you want to dive back even further. Let's recap those quick steps. Open the Gmail app. Tap the search field at the top. Tap Date beneath the search bar. Choose older than a week. Instantly view all emails more than 7 days old. And that's it. Keeping your inbox under control has never been easier or faster. Try it out now, and you'll always find those older emails whenever you need them. Thanks for watching.